graduated. Today I celebrate the completion of my 10-month leadership program. You all are invited to join the celebration and get a glimpse into my regular day-to-day life. In true 2020 fashion, all you need is a Zoom link and the proper technology to get a front row seat to this celebratory occasion. This mix right here has blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, kale, spinach, and bananas. You all will see in some of my later videos that I'm being more intentional now about making sure I'm getting all of my daily nutrients, and this is a great way to start my morning. I also wanted to show you all this protein powder I've been using. This was actually recommended by my nutritionist. So I've been using this for about 2 weeks now. It's vegan friendly, paleo friendly, and keto friendly. It doesn't really have much of a flavor at all, so I've been adding this to my smoothies as well. Up getting 2 awards. The first one was the Best Fellow Award, which is a peer nominated award. The other ladies in leadership had some really great things to say about me, so thank you all so much for that. I also received the Valedictorian Award as well. So this has been a great time. Actually, I think now I'm getting ready to go to my parents' house because my dad told me that he cooked me some stew. So I'm gonna take you all along with me. At my parents' house. All right, I'll see you all inside. So I'm here at my parents' house. I'm getting ready to do my mom's hair and just enjoy some quality time. Does anyone else get to-go boxes of food and as soon as you get home you just eat it anyway? I just got back from my parents' house. This is what my dad cooked. He made some stew and some other stuff. I was gonna wait until tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and eat it now. Why not? It's probably a good idea for me to update my pictures now that I have this new look. I actually just did some headshots about 3 weeks ago from my leadership program. We all did professional headshots and already that one is outdated. So I just decided I'm gonna take some quick photos. These are gonna come in handy also because I'm actually partnering with an organization coming up very soon. They're gonna need a picture of me. We're basically doing a series. Well, actually I'm joining their series for 1 episode, which focuses on embracing every aspect of your beauty. That's perfect with what my mission is because I'm all about standing tall in every aspect of who you are. So it is a perfect partnership. If you all are on Instagram, check it out. It's likely gonna be Sunday, December 20th in the afternoon. So if you're on Instagram, be on the lookout for that. We're gonna do a live chat discussing all things embracing your beauty, specifically hair. I'm about to take these pictures. I will post some of them so that you all can see some of the best ones.
Pleased to announce that the 2020 Best Fellow Award goes to Stephanie. I'll just read some of the justification that was given by her cohort members. Stephanie carries herself extremely well. She brought the group together while sharing a key component of her IDP, affirmations for Black women. I enjoyed working with her to create the second social activity, which she primarily led and organized. Stephanie has helped us walk through this journey. This is another person. Stephanie has helped us walk through this journey with tremendous leadership skills. She often initiated and organized our events, and she's a good leader. And one other person said, Stephanie is a true leader and displayed exemplary qualities during the course of our project. She wore multiple hats and was always on top of things, but not in a way that left the rest of us out. She's also honest and passionate. So congratulations, Stephanie. I know I'll speak for myself and say I've personally been encouraged by you. I follow your YouTube channel and the things that you've been developing on social media about just personal development and self-care and speaking into yourself. So I'll speak for myself when I say that I've been encouraged by your leadership and what you've been able to share with the cohort. And I'm sure many, many people will be able to benefit from your wisdom.